Guys, I'm going to tell you about this liver health supplement. Here, there are 60 vegetarian capsules, and a serving size is 2 capsules. Now, this has a lot of different things in it, so make sure you're okay with taking all these things. It only has small amounts of all of them in it, but turmeric powder, beetroot extract, L-glycinine, dandelion powder, artichoke extract, ginger powder, milk thistle extract, L-cysteine, that's one I have not heard of, L-cysteine hydrochloride, and biopurin black pepper extract. So a lot of different things, but pretty small amounts of each of them. Serving size is 2 capsules, so this is a 1-month supply. Again, you need to make sure your doctor knows all the different things in this if you choose to take this, and make sure it's not going to interact with any of your other medicines, all the ingredients in it. Your capsules probably are brown. A lot of that's from that turmeric powder, which is really yellow and giving it that color, but they're normal size capsules. Liver health formula, again, you have a 30-day supply because there's 60 capsules, but it's 2 capsules per serving. It also has brown rice powder in it, probably to keep it from clumping together. It is made in America, made in the USA, using foreign and US ingredients. So I bought this October 2025 and it is good till April 2027. So I will say they gave me something that was not close to expired, has a long shelf life.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.